Sleepless on the road, common travel, sleep problems. Travel is fun, but it can disrupt your sleep. Many people have trouble sleeping when they travel. This is called traveler's insomnia. It can happen for many reasons. One reason is jet lag. Jet lag happens when you cross time zones. Your body clock gets confused. This makes it hard to sleep at night and stay awake during the day. Another reason is travel anxiety. You might feel stressed about your trip. This can make it hard to relax and fall asleep. Finally, the unfamiliar environment of hotels or airplanes can be disruptive. Noises, lights, and uncomfortable beds can all interfere with sleep. Jet lag, the body clock's worst enemy. Jet lag is a common travel ailment. It happens when you cross multiple time zones. Your body clock, or circadian rhythm, gets out of sync. This disrupts your sleep-wake cycle. Symptoms of jet lag include fatigue, insomnia, daytime sleepiness, and difficulty concentrating. It can also cause headaches, stomach problems, and irritability. The severity of jet lag depends on the number of time zones crossed and your individual sensitivity. Eastward travel tends to cause more severe jet lag than westward travel. This is because it shortens your day, which is harder for your body to adjust to. Travel anxiety, worrying away your sleep. Travel anxiety is another common culprit behind sleepless nights on the road. The stress of planning, packing, and navigating unfamiliar places can keep your mind racing. This can make it difficult to relax and fall asleep. Travel anxiety can manifest as difficulty falling asleep, frequent awakenings, or early morning awakenings. You might also experience physical symptoms like a racing heart, sweating, or stomach upset. If you're prone to anxiety, traveling can exacerbate these feelings. It's important to address travel anxiety to ensure restful sleep and enjoyable trips. Despite these sleep disruptors, there are things you can do to sleep better while you travel. Experts recommend adjusting to your new time zone as soon as possible. Start by gradually shifting your sleep schedule a few days before your trip. Upon arrival, expose yourself to daylight, especially in the morning. This will help reset your body clock. It's also crucial to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Take a warm bath or read a book. Make sure your sleep environment is dark, quiet, and cool. Good sleep is essential for a good trip. When you sleep well, you have more energy. You can enjoy your trip more. You can also think more clearly. This is important when you're in new and unfamiliar situations. Good sleep also improves your mood. You'll be less likely to feel stressed, anxious, or irritable. Make sleep a priority on your next trip. It will make your travel experience better. You'll come home feeling refreshed and rejuvenated.